What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best dual channel dash cameras of 2023 according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, Thinkware U1000. Firstly, we have this, which is a front-facing dash cam that is fine as a basic security device. But since many accidents are rear-ending collisions, it makes sense to consider a rear-facing camera too. This is one of several cameras that includes this option. A standout feature is 4K video recordings and how it comes with a hard wiring nip, providing the camera with constant power and the ability to record incidents while being parked. A 12-volt socket cable is also included for a less permanent installation. Shaped differently from many dash cams, this resembles a factory-fitted product. The low-profile design means it doesn't have a display, but it fits snugly against the windscreen, hidden behind the rear-view mirror of most vehicles. There are buttons for manual recording, power and switching Wi-Fi and audio recording on or off. A microSD card slot is easily accessible on the side of the unit, and a 64 gigabit card is included. It is an expensive dash cam. You can spend half or even a quarter of the price if you want, but this has a lot going for it. From 4K video with HDR to speed camera alerts, remote viewing, and motion sensing while parked. It's a feature-packed dash cam that will suit buyers who want the best regardless of budget. Best with Alexa, Nextbase 622GW. This also sells a rear camera compatible with a range of dash cams. Similarly, the quality of the rear cameras depends on which front-facing dash cam it's connected to overall. A higher resolution is better for dash cams, but what you buy here will depend on the budget. Footage from both cameras is saved to the memory card inserted into the front-facing cams. The rear cameras have a 140-degree lens and include a 6-meter long cable. There should be plenty of route discreetly around most cars, interiors, or through the roof lining. This employs a magnetic mount for the rear camera. The mount attaches to its rear windscreen using adhesive. Then the ball-shaped camera snaps itself magnetically to the mounts. The round shape means the camera can easily be positioned at almost any angle to ensure a good view of the road behind. A top-notch dash cam shoots in 4K through a polarizing filter or with slow motion at 120 frames per second at 1080p. There's a 3-inch touchscreen on the rear and dual-band Wi-Fi for connecting to the companion smartphone app. Best triple camera system, Vantrue N4. This dash cam is a triple camera system that allows you to capture impressive images at very high resolutions. If you're using the front cameras, you can shoot in 4K, while if you choose to record from all fronts, rear, and cabin, the maximum resolution is 1440p, 1080p, and 1080p, respectively, all at 30 frames per second. Given the price, though, it is low in some features. There are no phone apps, so you have to back up recordings with the microSD cards, and there's no GPS, so you won't get location data. Setting it up is simple and straightforward though. Considering this has a reasonably high price tag, we'd expect it to pack many features. Top of the list is that you've got 3-channel recordings covering not only the front, but also the interior and rear views from your vehicle. Although 4K resolutions is only available when using the front-facing camera only, even if you switch on the other cameras, there's generally enough detail to see important details such as number plates. For that reason, we recommend using all 3 given you have maximum coverage possible. But at the very least, the front-facing and rear-facing camera, there are some downsides here as well. GPS is not being built in as a fairly big one, as well as the need for more Wi-Fi or compatibilities with the smartphone app. That means you'll need to remove the SD card from the device and go through footage on your computer, not the most significant problems in the world. Still, it is something that other models have eliminated altogether. As such, this is a decent performer which is well suited to those who want the flexibility of 3 different angles of view and comes recommended. Best features, Thinkware Q800 Pro. This dash cam's key feature is its video resolution. Most cameras record at full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080, but this easily beats this with a 2K resolution 2560 by 1440. This means more pixels for capturing more details, which could prove very crucial when trying to determine a blame or prove innocence after an incident. Other features also include integrated GPS for adding location and speed data to recordings, and a suite of driver assistance systems. These include speed camera alerts and notifications to say when the vehicle in front is set off. The shallow profiles means it sits nearly against the windscreen instead of being suspended from it on a mounting arm. This, along with lack of display on its rears, makes this less distracting than some of the other dash cams. The 2K video footage is very good, sharp, clear, and also well balanced. Suppose you want all the assistance and safety systems like speed camera alerts and warning about your accidental tailgating. In that case, they are all here to work well most of the time. But if the car already has these systems, This feature will feel like unnecessary duplication. It's a well-designed dashcam with a premium feeling, a great video, and a broad set of features. Those who want a simple dashcam should look elsewhere, but drivers who see values in the safety and assistance systems will benefit from spending the extra amount. The software isn't great, but it is well broadly parred for the dashcam courses, and it makes up for a shortfall with neat designs and top-notch video quality. Best value: Viofo A129 Pro Duo. If you're seeking something cheaper than our first choices, this is a good option. In terms of quality of the footages, its front cameras is one of the best around, capable of capturing a 4K Ultra HD utilizing its 8.29 megapixel Sony Exmor-R sensors. You'll also get multiple bitrate options and H.265 high-efficiency video coding. The rear camera is less high quality than the Thinkware U1000, only Full HD rather than the U1000's slightly higher 2560 by 1440 resolution. However, this may be more than enough for your needs, and it still looks pretty good. You'll also get some useful extra modes such as wide dynamic range and super night visions, meaning you're always prepared no matter what the weather and lighting conditions. The camera units could be bulky and need to be removed from their mounts. The front unit is especially sizable partly due to the LCD screens. If you're not bothered about the LCD screens and want a smaller dashcam, consider one of the other ones on this list. Otherwise, this is an excellent buy. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos.